हेलो ब्यूटीफुल सोल्स। आज हम ग्रैटिट्यूड देंगे बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट अपनी पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, दैट इज रिलेशनशिप। अगर हमारी रिलेशनशिप्स अच्छी रहती हैं तो हम हर तरीके से बहुत ज़्यादा पीसफुल रहते हैं, कंटेंट रहते हैं। और अभी तक आपने अगर मेरा ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़रूर बेल आइकॉन दबाएं ताकि आपको मेरी नई वीडियोस का अपडेट मिले। आप मेरे साथ 1-to-1 भी जुड़ सकते हैं। मेरा व्हाट्सएप का जो चैट लिंक है वो मैंने पेस्ट किया है। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आप अपना राइट हैंड अपने हाथ में लीजिए, आंखें बंद करिए और आप इसको सुनिए। आप इसको सुनिए और फील करिए, महसूस करिए। तो लेट्स बिगिन। आई एम डीपली ग्रेटफुल फॉर द लव इन माई लाइफ। I honor the divine connections I share with others. I am thankful for relationships that help me grow and evolve. I am grateful for the healing unfolding between me and others. I appreciate every person who has shown me love. I give thanks for the lessons hidden within every relationship. I am thankful for the opportunity to love and be loved. I cherish the emotional safety I feel in meaningful bonds. I'm grateful for my ability to express my truth with love. I appreciate the support and acceptance I receive from others. I honor the space between me and others with respect. I'm thankful for my ability to forgive and be forgiven. I'm grateful for peace returning to my heart. I give thanks for closure and calm in past relationships. I appreciate moments of deep emotional connection. I'm grateful for love flowing to me and from me effortlessly. I honor my boundaries and appreciate others respecting them. I'm thankful for understanding, replacing judgment. I appreciate my growing ability to listen deeply. I give thanks for the healing of my inner child. I'm grateful for emotional honesty in my relationships. I'm thankful for mutual respect and soulful connections. I give thanks for growing through love. I appreciate the love I now receive with ease. I'm grateful for peaceful and clear communication. I'm thankful for safe spaces where I can be fully myself. I give thanks for the presence of love in my life. I appreciate being surrounded by uplifting people. I'm grateful for emotional safety and freedom. I honor and thank those who challenge me to grow. I'm grateful for emotional vulnerability and authenticity. I appreciate kindness flowing into my life. I give thanks for all my heart has survived and healed. I'm thankful for open-hearted conversations. I honor the sacredness of every bond. I'm grateful for loving relationships in every area of my life. I appreciate how love teaches me to trust again. I give thanks for soul-aligned partnerships. I'm thankful for the return of joy in love. I honor the healing within my family. I'm grateful for friends who feel like soul family. I give thanks for every I'm sorry and every I understand. I'm thankful for second chances and fresh beginnings. I appreciate the presence of divine love in my heart. I'm grateful for the strength to open my heart again. I give thanks for love that is gentle and true. I'm thankful for releasing the need to control. I appreciate the spiritual lessons relationships bring me. I give thanks for every silent blessings I have received. I'm grateful for relationships that reflect my growth. I'm thankful for mutual support and admiration. I honor the space where forgiveness blooms. I'm grateful for presence over perfection. I appreciate the people who truly see me. I give thanks for honest love over surface attraction. I'm thankful for connections that nourish my soul. I'm grateful for freedom within love. I appreciate the growth that comes with letting go. I give thanks for emotional alignment. I am thankful for unconditional love beginning with myself. I honor my needs with gratitude and grace. I appreciate relationships that celebrate my truth. I'm grateful for compassion flowing both ways. I am thankful for soft, honest love. I give thanks for moment of emotional intimacy. I am grateful for letting go with peace. I appreciate boundaries as a beautiful form of love. I give thanks for divine timing in love. I'm thankful for the soul contracts I share. I'm grateful for being deeply understood. I appreciate the power of sincere apology. I'm thankful for clarity and emotional space. I give thanks for love that is patient and kind. I'm grateful for alignment in partnerships. I appreciate love finding me effortlessly. I'm thankful for peace where chaos once lived. I honor the release of old relationship patterns. I am grateful for emotional harmony. I give thanks for sacred intimacy. I am thankful for the ability to be fully seen. I appreciate gentle and conscious communication. I'm grateful for love that allows me to grow. I give thanks for being enough in every relationship. I'm thankful for releasing people with love and grace. I appreciate the blessings of healthy companionship. I give thanks for soul romance. I'm grateful for light replacing loneliness. I'm thankful for choosing love over fear. I honor divine unions aligned in energy. I am grateful for mutual healing through love. I give thanks for the beauty of emotional depth. I appreciate friendship that feel like family. I'm grateful for attracting nurturing partners. I'm thankful for releasing expectations with love. I give thanks for deep and lasting bonds. I'm grateful for every healing moment in love. I appreciate how far my heart has come. I give thanks for the love I now allow in. I'm thankful for relationships that feel like home. I honor the sacred path of connection. I appreciate forgiveness as a precious gift. I give and receive love freely. I am grateful for heart-centered relationships. I give thanks for emotional balance. I am thankful for the safety of being fully myself. I appreciate the blessings of love in all its forms. I give thanks for the power of shared healing. I'm grateful for relationships that honor my soul. I open my heart to love, gratitude, and divine connection. Thank you, dear universe, for attracting relationships that honor my heart and soul. I surrender, trust, and welcome harmonious love into my life.